Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. You're looking at my chart for Monday, June 24th, and I have my Taylor trading zone drawn out on the chart, but the trading zone, the numbers changed over last week. Remember, we changed over from the June contract, the ESM, to the September contract, ESU, and there's a considerable difference in price structure between the June and the September contract. Friday, the June contract closed at 54.72, and the September contract is 55.37. So significant difference in numbers, but nevertheless, we're looking at the high, low, open, and close. So here is the ESU for Monday, and the important thing for Monday is to see where the market opens, because if the market opens somewhere in the middle of the trading zone or in the upper portion of the trading zone, I'm looking for this level right over here, 55.30, where the market closed on Friday. And the reason that I'm looking at that is because of the one-day S&P. Remember, the ES is an artificial construct of the S&P. Now here's the S&P, the one-day chart of the S&P, and you'll notice that on Friday the candle was almost a doji. Now I want you to keep in mind that right over here, people bought right over here, which was at the 5,500 mark, and prices are trading down here at 54.65, about 35 points down. And the buyers who bought over here, they're a little nervous, they're a little apprehensive, especially because you see this open area over here, this gap. Well, this is a gap that exists. This is a gap that exists, and gaps close. Gaps always close. Keep that in mind. And that gap is down at 53.70. So considerable potential drop. And also stochastics is overbought, but we can't really go too much with stochastics, but I'm just giving you a heads up that the market is driven by emotion, and the buyers who bought up here at 5,500, they're going to be a little nervous. So I would expect that the market would maybe make a fake up here where the buyers, the people who are in the market right over here at this level, they'll see an opportunity to dump their shares, and then the market can continue down. And I would expect the market to move down toward the previous close or even lower. So we'll have to see what happens on Monday. Anyway, trade safely. Be very cautious on Monday. Keep your eye on the market. If it makes a move up on Monday, don't be surprised if it moves up and then suddenly drops down to Friday's close, 55.30. That's my video for today. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.